Hello, students. Today, we are going to learn about mechanical seals, which are designed to prevent leakage between flat, rotating, and stationary surfaces in pumps, compressors, and other machinery. A typical dynamic mechanical seal has primary and mating rings that make contact perpendicular to the shaft. These surfaces are carefully lapped flat to eliminate leakage. A spring preload holds the rings together, maintaining the seal during shutdown or when fluid pressure is low. A thin film of the sealed liquid is maintained between the sealing faces. This film is crucial because it reduces friction, minimizes wear, and ensures long-lasting performance. Points of sealing contact. There are three main points where sealing occurs in a mechanical seal. Between the primary and mating rings, this is the main dynamic seal face. Between the rotating component and shaft or sleeve, ensures tight sealing around the shaft. Between the stationary component and the gland plate, prevents leakage from the housing. The seal's reliability depends on maintaining a thin liquid film at the primary contact points. Too much contact can overheat the materials, while too little can cause high leakage rates. Seal designs. Mechanical seals can be either unbalanced or balanced. Unbalanced seals, the full hydraulic pressure acts on the seal face, which limits their maximum operating pressure. Balanced seals reduce hydraulic forces on the seal face, improving lubrication, minimizing heat generation, and reducing wear. Balanced seals are generally more reliable and can handle higher pressures and speeds than unbalanced designs. Failure modes. Mechanical seals can fail due to temperature, pressure, velocity, or a combination of these factors. High fluid pressure can create excessive heat, leading to wear, material fracture, deformation, or leakage. Elastomer components may become extruded or damaged. Seal faces may fail before natural wear if the spring or primary ring is damaged. Improper seal balance can squeeze out the lubricating liquid film, increasing wear. Environmental contaminants like sand can embed in elastomer seals, causing abrasive damage to the seals and shafts. Working. The seal is comprised of a rotating and stationary face. The faces are flat within 11 millionths of an inch. This creates the primary sealing point in the seal. Process fluid provides lubrication for the seal faces. Closing forces, which is the sum of spring pressure and process pressure, keep the seal faces together. Small amount of opening force allows process liquid to migrate between the seal faces. This liquid is critical to seal performance. It provides cooling and lubrication, operational life, and maintenance. Mechanical seals are largely maintenance-free, typically lasting 1 to 2 years, sometimes up to 3 years under ideal conditions. Poor water quality, sediments, or overheating can shorten their lifespan. Recommended mechanical seal configurations include bidirectional operation for flexible flow conditions, elastomeric bellows to automatically compensate for seal face wear, hard-soft material combinations, ceramic or hardened metal with carbon for optimal lubrication, attachment to bronze or stainless steel shaft sleeves for durability. Advantages: lower frictional drag, improved pump efficiency, minimal wear on shafts or sleeves compared to packing, near zero leakage, unlike packing, which requires some leakage for lubrication, reduced maintenance requirements, can be applied to higher pressures and speeds than traditional packing. Disadvantages: less tolerant to shaft deflection and misalignment, sensitive to dirty or contaminated fluids, may require separators, requires expensive seal piping for flushing and quenching, higher initial cost compared to packing rings. In summary, mechanical seals are a reliable and efficient sealing solution, offering low maintenance, near zero leakage, and longer life compared to traditional packing. However, they require clean operating conditions and proper installation to achieve maximum performance. Thank you for your time. Have a great day ahead.